Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel MYGUIDEPEDIA. आप detailed essays, stories, 12th class English syllabus and letters के लिए हमारी साइट theaugustboy.com पर visit करें. And today I'm gonna share with you 20 birds' name in English and in Hindi. Here is a list of 20 birds' name in English and Hindi. This is an initiative to learn Hindi through English. Names of birds are given in English and Hindi. All the birds' names are written in English to learn how to pronounce them in Hindi. So let's start. Parrot, Tota, Tota. Cock, Murga, Murga. Peacock, More, More. Owl, Ulloo, Ulloo. Pigeon, Kabutar, Kabutar. Hen, Murgi, Murgi. Crow, Kowa, Kowa. Swan, Hans, Hans. Duck, Buttock, Buttock. Cuckoo, Koyal, Koyal. Eagle, Cheel, Cheel. Flamingo, Rajhans, Rajhans. Ostrich, Shuturmurg, Shuturmurg. Maina, Maina, Maina. Kite, Cheel, Cheel. Sparrow, Gaureya, Gaureya. Nightingale, Bulbul, Bulbul. Quail, Bater, Bater. Hawk, Baj, Baj. Vulture, Gid, Gid. Thanks for watching. If you like our information and videos, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.